So, welcome to the vault. I'm so excited to share a quick walkthrough of our vault, which has over 300 done for you templates. The vault is part of our monthly membership, so if that digital life on the website that I have, you can see wholeheartedmecollective.com. That's where the website is. Let me just pop this back in view for you so that you can see the vault. And that digital life is the membership that has the vault in it, as you can see here. I just wanted to show you I've been doing some more work in there, and I thought I'd give you a quick run through. So the vault has over 300 templates, as I was saying. You basically have a lot of information here. There's also some training in Canva, excuse me, because the templates, there's 22 categories across the top here. We go through work and home categories, and there's 22 of them currently. I'm always open to requests, adding new templates as the need arises. And then we have different categories. So the categories we've currently got are meetings, clients, planning, projects, strategy, habit trackers, business graphics. So you've got different graphics that you can go into, primarily with Canva, even though there are other ways that you can also use these templates. Sales, series of templates in there. Marketing, got templates there. Let's just scan across. Social media. Then we move into the home personal side of things. So there's quite a lot of templates in menus, recipes, wellness. So there's a few awesome things there. One of my pet subjects, fitness. Again, quite a few templates in there. Notebook covers, if you have a Remarkable or a Books, even an iPad, and you want, even with quotes, if you want to put a quote on your notebooks or on your sleep screens here, I've created heaps of different ones in here that you're welcome to have. That's part of the vault. Finance, lots of different templates in there. Travel, we've got all of that. Journaling, another pet subject. If you're studying, there's quite a few templates in there. Weddings, yes, weddings there's quite a few in there. Babies, we need all the things with the babies. And cleaning, so lots of chores, household maintenance, just all the things. So they're the categories across the top. Here you can see that we access them through the left and right arrow up the top here. If I click on resume course, it's going to take us back to the beginning. So as you can see, they're not lessons, but there's 336 minus about 6. So there's about 330 templates currently in the vault. And what we do with them, so like if we go to, say, clients, and we were onboarding a client, for instance, you could then come in here, get their client information. Then you would go and use the client onboarding checklist. There's an appointments tracker, a couple of different versions of them, a follow-up logbook, reminder template. Over here, you can make notes with your clients. So you basically would come in, grab what you wanted. So let's have a look at client information. You click on client information, and if you don't want to put your brand at the bottom, you can just download the PDF, which is this little icon over here on the right, and you will have a templated document that's just like that. without any branding at the bottom. But if you want to access it yourself, you click on there, you click on the template itself, it puts you into Canva, and then in here you've got the branded template. So there's a prompt down the bottom here where you can change your brand, put your own brand name in there, or you could just go to the blank document if you needed that. And you could, at that point, download any version, any file type that's appropriate here. So there's a lot of options available for you. PDF, PNG, you could turn it into a video if you wanted, but so these are just 2 instruction pages just to explain this template has branding at the bottom and this template does not. So yes, that is the Vault available to you. It comes in That Digital Life, that course, which I will show you what that looks like. Just one moment. So when you become a member of That Digital Life, you receive access here. You sign in to your login space, and that brings you into this portal. And in here, it's like a Facebook group. You can just talk, write questions, chat to others that are in the group. And here, this is where you access your, I'm an admin, so that's why it's showing you aspects that you wouldn't normally see. But you can get into the Vault from here. You can get into your portal, That Digital Life, from here, which has got your bonuses in it and some tutorials and trainings. And you also get given the Freebie Hub as another bonus, which has got more templates in there if you would like those. Also for GoodNotes, as well as for Remarkable. So yes, and then you can come back here and you can ask any questions, request training, whatever you like in here. So yes, that is That Digital Life. That is how Canva works, and it's very exciting to have access to everything in the Vault. We love it. So that's it. Just thought I'd give you a quick run through on what you can do in all of the with all of the templates. They're pretty cool. All right, that's it for me for now. I will talk soon. Bye.